Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use the Photoshop mock-up for skinny tumblers that I purchased. I purchased this on Etsy, and I will link the shop that I purchased from in the description of the video. All right, so I'm going to go to my file. This is what it looks like when you open it. So I'm just going to minimize that because I already know what to do. I'm going to come over here where it says left, open that up. I'm going to come down again to where it says left, open that up, and then I'm going to double click where it says image. Now I'm going to put the image I want on the tumbler, so place embedded. Now I'm using Photoshop, so that's how this image is set up. And I have one I need to mock up anyways, it's a Jeep one. So I'm going to grab that. All right, and then I hit enter. And then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to X out, and it's going to ask me if I want to save the image before closing. I hit yes. Okay, so now it's on the first tumbler. So now I'm going to come over here to my little paint bucket tool, make sure that 3D material drop is selected. I'm going to push my Alt button, hold it down, and then you'll see the little dropper that comes up. And I'm going to left click. Now I'm going to come back over to my layers panel, and I'm going to go down to the middle, and then I'm going to select right there, and I'm going to see now the paint bucket is shown. I'm going to left click. That will drop the middle. Now I'm going to do the same thing I did on the first one and hold the Alt where it gives me the dropper, left click. I'm going to do the same thing for the right here. So I'm going to go down, open it, click on the right, and then drop it. And there you have a 3D mockup. Now I just go up File, Save As, save on my computer. I select PNG. I always go back to where the file was. Save it as my mockup. Save. There we go. Hope that makes sense.